Hello everyone! So I just titled this an Easter haul because most of this stuff is kind of Easter themed. Easter and spring, of course. So let's just hop right into this cute adorableness. I had to. This was the all-in-onesie Easter set from Clearly Besotted. Is that not the most adorable little stamp set ever? So of course, really great for Easter theme, but I was thinking these would be really cute for just like baby cards or first birthday cards or anything like that. But I do love, I think that's a little like Easter egg basically balloon, which I just, so that there is a coordinating die set, which I got. I think they just, Clearly Besotted makes some of the cutest little images. So I got that one, and then this one is more definitely Easter. This is the Hoppy Easter stamp set with a cute little bunny and a little egg and a little Easter eggs. There's a little basket and a little carrot and Hoppy Easter, a little grass image. And then coordinating die set to die cut all of this. So cute. So cute. So got that one. Finally got my hands on the Pretty Pink Posh Hummingbird Thanks. This set has been sold out, restocked, sold out constantly pretty much since it was released. It's such a nice set, and I actually have the dies on their way here because the same thing, the dies were like sold out, in stock, and I kept missing it. So finally got it anyway. I love this large sentiment of many thanks. And then you got the gorgeous little hummingbirds. So pretty. So I got that. And then I got some fabulous pattern paper. I haven't bought pattern paper in what seems like the longest time, and trust me, I don't know, I have several random orders on their way here or that have already arrived of basically, like, I could pretty much do a pattern paper haul video. I guess you guys can let me know if anyone's as crazy as me that would watch something like that. I probably could do it. There was so much released in the last few months that it's just amazing. So this is the Bo Bunny Cottontail collection. Really pretty. Really, really pretty. These eggs are just gorgeous. It's got gorgeous stripes and just patterns, these florals, kind of clouds and circles and more stripes. Like, these are just really, really pretty papers. So you get, I think, 3 each of the designs. Yeah, I think it's 36 pages. I think it's 12 designs and you get 3 each of the designs, which I really like too, because it's a little easier to cut into them when you've got like 2 more sheets left of each pattern. So that one. And then of course the Echo Park Hello Easter pack, which just makes me happy. There we go. So this is Hello Easter by Echo Park. Cutest little bunnies. Oh my god, there's all, oh, and these ones are double-sided. Those are single-sided, these are double-sided. So we got some like pink patterns and then some fun little like cards. Oh, I really like this pattern. And then little chicks and baskets and eggs. And some plaid and florals and more plaid. Oh, I love all the plaid. These are cute. So, really, really fun. And words. Aren't these adorable? So you get 2 sheets of all of these patterns. Yeah, 24 double-sided paper, 2 sheets of each pattern. Love. And then I got this Authentique Refreshed collection. This one just so spring. So spring. Authentique is a little more, I would say, vintage. I still like their papers though, even though their style isn't my style. They'll come out with certain collections that just, I'm like, oh, I love. Aren't these gorgeous? So pretty. I love, it was these umbrellas that really just drew me in, and the florals. Oh, these are so pretty. Just gorgeous, gorgeous papers. You get 24 sheets, 12 designer patterns. Oh, they're so pretty. Love. I got those. And then of course, I got these. I did get the coordinating dies, of course. finally, I was so glad when this got here. I've been waiting. I've been waiting for this. The Mama Elephant, the bunnies hop. We got the bunnies. They did, Mama Elephant did the kitty cats, and then we've got the snowman, and then the puppy dogs, and then she did the bunnies, and my life feels more complete now. Love it. Love it. It is so cute. And it's size to cover. Here is an A2 size card. So you can kind of see just how much, like, you know, the other ones are similar. You got this big cluster. And they're, some are holding cards. One's holding a strawberry, a little to-go coffee cup. And there's little, like, chicks hanging out here. There's a little individual bunny. And then there's these cute little, like, flowers and leaves that they can even have so they're holding, you know, for shade. That just makes my day. So, and I love the coordinating die set. Has the great, like, it has the big outline die for the image, but it also has this great big fabulous scripty Happy Easter word die, which I love. And then the individual dies for the individual images as well. So cute. So there's that one. And then I couldn't resist getting the Little Bunny Agenda stamp because, again, like, there's just something about these images that make me smile. So you've got all these adorable little bunnies. This one's cutting out paper. Little balloons. He's floating with little balloons. This one's got a little shamrock, a little birthday one, a little reading one. This would be so cute to stamp on the envelope, like sending Happy Meal. He's holding a little envelope with a heart. This one's playing music. This one's got a bottle of wine. This one's my people. You know, that's my bunny. They're so cute. That one's holding a cupcake. That one's coming with a little pot of flowers, ice cream, like, so cute. And then there's the coordinating die sets. So you can die cut all of these cute, adorable little bunnies. Ugh. There's that. And I'd mentioned this in a previous video because I got one in a previous Simon Says card kit. And I was like, I am gonna get more of these. These are the Simon Says stamp khaki wood grain envelopes. Oh, they're so gorgeous. Like, can you see? Look at that wood grain. Aren't these gorgeous? Oh. Love these. Absolutely love these envelopes. There's just something about them. I should have got like 7 packs of them or something. They're just fabulous. I absolutely love. So I finally got those. And then I also got these random kind of stencils that I didn't have before. So I've got the Waves stencil. Oh, I can't believe I didn't own that. The Waves stencil, the Leaves stencil, which, here. Need to pull this out because you guys need to be able to see this one because this one's really cool. You get both. So you've got that. And you just gotta gently, it's like attached only in like 2 places. So this stencil's awesome because you get 2 in 1. So you have the full stencil, but you also have this. So you could kind of layer them into like different ink resist techniques and whatnot. I have the big die of the same kind of image, but I've wanted the stencil for the longest time. And I finally remembered to order it. So just absolutely gorgeous. Got that one. And then the last one I got, I'm like making a mess of my pile. The Circle Dots stencil. This one, again, I can't believe I didn't already own it, but I was like, ooh, this would look so much fun with glitter paste. Glitter all the things. Love. So got that. I also got my hands on the ever popular, this purple tape that Jennifer McGuire and just everyone has been raving about this tape. So I ordered some because I'm like, I want to see what all the fuss is about. So we will just, I'm sure it'll be fabulous because everyone is saying such amazing things about this tape. So yeah, I'm excited. So I got the purple tape. I also got, I wanted to try a bottle of the Gina K Designs Connect Glue because the same thing, I've heard wonderful things. So any type of new adhesive that comes out, I like to try them. So I got that. I also got the jelly roll. This is the 10. This is the super large nib. So, or large, it's a ballpoint, it's not a nib. I like jelly roll pens. So I got that one. And then I also got this is just some of the new Lawn Fawn. I've ordered a lot of it. I had pre-ordered a bunch quite some time ago, but I'll get to that in a later video. So since this is my Easter haul, I want to stick to Easter stuff. This is the Easter Party stamp set. So really cute, but again, doesn't have to be necessarily just Easter themed. Like, these are just cute for like little birthdays, spring themed, whatever. So yeah, you got have a happy Easter, have a happy spring, wishing you a very happy Easter, spring, etc. You got little flowers and some leaves, a little basket, and little tiny jelly beans. Love that, love that. And then there's the coordinating die set. So I cut out all of the little images. So really cute. And then there's the new Lawn Fawn, the Happy Easter line border die. I'm really loving their line border sentiment dies. And then, of course, I got the Scallop Treat Box Spring House add-on because this coordinates with the Scallop Treat Box. So you've got all these fun images to decorate that, and I have ideas. I need to get filming Easter things. So you've got the fun little like scalloped roof, you got the window and a door and a little bunny and like all the little elements to create. You can use a Scallop Tree Box and then create a fun little cute house out of it. There's that. And then last but not least, I also got, I've been showing my Sidekick in so many videos because I use it all the time. So I wanted to make sure I got an extra pair of the Aqua cutting pads for my Sidekick because, yeah, I am using this thing constantly. So I got that. So as always, I will link to everything in the description box below the video, as well as on my blog. And on my blog, it's picture links. And I'm gonna get cracking, and I'm filming videos like a crazy person today and editing, and I have card making videos coming and So thank you all so much for watching and subscribing and thumbs upping my videos. I really appreciate it. And I will see you all very soon in the next video. Bye.